Hi there and a very warm welcome to Traders 20 on ET Now. I'm Kamya Verma.
Hi everyone, I'm Avan Nabash. Remember, this is the show Traders 20 where you get a daily dose of 20 fresh stock ideas so that you can have a profitable trading day. We'll get in our experts. They'll come together over the next 30 minutes to get you the most exciting bets in the market.
And we'll also be showcasing commodity picks and strategies to make the best of futures and options market. So here's the lineup for today. Ashwini joins in from Delhi, Mitesh Thakkar, Sandeep Wagle, Prakash Kawa from Mumbai, Rajat Bose from Kolkata and Deepak Mohani from Pune. A very warm welcome to Traders 20, gentlemen.
Well, let's get into check as to what's happening with the markets, and it's not a great day to reckon with. It's the fourth day of losses on the Nifty, so it's 53.25 and we're doing absolutely nothing as we speak. So you've got the Nifty, which is below 53.50 for the fourth day on the trot. It's tech, auto stocks which are leading the fall, whereas pharmaceuticals as well as FMCG holds firm. The Nifty, in fact, is below its 20-day average, but that's Cipla. The counter has hit a new high, so it's clearly defensives which have been doing their part for quite some time now. But take a look at the volume chart of a Jayaprakash Associates. If you flip it over, it's not just reeling under pressure when it comes to the price activity, but lots of volume damage as well. 8% off at 64.8. Well, let's get the ball rolling and start off with Traders 20. But before that, it's mandatory to walk you through a disclaimer from our end. Please do consult your financial advisor before taking on board any positions in the stocks that are recommended through the course of this program. Let's start off with Ashwini Gujral and Mitesh Thakkar, who are waiting by. Hi Ashwini, what are you recommending today?
Well, Opto Circuits, which was in a downtrend and moved sideways, that's broken down again. So this is a sell with a stop about 121, target about 105. BHEL is a sell with a stop about 225, target of 210. It's completed a sideways correction of its downtrend and now seems to be breaking down again. Similarly, JSW Steel, the entire steel, the metals group is weak, and this one hasn't really corrected as much. So this looks like it's going to come down towards 660. You can keep a stop about 710. And United Spirits is the only buy. This continues to move higher. There is good buying on dips. So this is a buy with a stop about 960, target about 1020. It's breaking out of a bullish consolidation.
Alright, so those are some of the picks coming in from Ashwini. But Mitesh, what are your top picks for today and why?
I've got a buy on Glenmark Pharma. It's been kind of in a narrow range of about 410 to 420 for the last 7-8 sessions, breaking on the upside. So this one can be bought with a stop at 412 for a price target of around 445 to 450. A sell on Divi's Lab. The stock has recovered, but I think the 20-day average is at around 1135. So if it starts trading below that, 1134, 1135, I think I would sell it with a stop at 1151 for a price target of 1090. A JSW Steel. That's the stock which has given a lot of sell signals today on intraday charts. We have seen metals as a pack under pressure. The overall setup is turning negative, and we have seen fresh signals on the intraday charts over here. Can be sold with a stop at 716 for a price target of 670. And Sesagua, again from a metals pack, I've got a stock which has broken critical support levels. What we have seen in the last few months is that 180, 182 as the support was holding out nicely. Today is breaking below that. Possibly we'll get a closing below that support level. This one can be sold with a stop at 182.55 for a price target of 170. Possibly even lower targets can be achieved.
Okay, so it's defensives and metals. That's what Mitesh is betting on. But time now to field off all the individual stock queries that you've sent in on the show on our segment Ask Ashwini. The first query comes in on Reliance Industries. We've got a live caller with us from Kolkata. Sheikh Ali Rahim joins in on the phone line. Mr. Rahim, thanks very much for joining in on the show. Tell us what your query is.
हेलो
हाँ जी मिस्टर रहीम बताइए आपकी क्वेरी क्या है रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज पे
हाँ रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री का हम हमारा डीमैट में अकाउंट में हमारा 25 इक्विटी बाय हुआ है हेलो
और आप क्या करना चाहोगे अभी
अभी तो रेट काफी कम गया हाँ हम उसको स्टॉक रखना चाहेंगे
Okay, so 790 shares of Reliance Industries purchased at 788. Should he hold or sell, Ashwini?
Well, Reliance Industries, for the first time in probably a couple of years, is looking like it is a strong stock. And as long as it's above 750, even other people can buy into Reliance because people have a lot of comfort with this company, and it seems like it's now preparing to move higher. Medium-term targets could be closer to about 930, and you have a close stop about 750. Near-term target about 865. So he can hold on to his position.
All right, so that's the recommendation coming in on Reliance Industries. Now our second query comes in on 3i Infotech. We have O.P. Singh, who's a defense personnel from Gorakhpur. He joins us on the phone line. Good morning, Mr. Singh. बताइए आपकी क्या query है?
हाँ, गुड मॉर्निंग मैम. मेरी क्वारी है 3i Infotech.
क्या जानना चाहते हैं आप उस बारे में?
मैम मैं 3i Infotech 120 पे लिया था मैम 2007 में.
ऑल राइट मिस्टर सिंह, हम आपकी वो क्वेरी अभी मिस्टर अश्विनी से पूछते हैं कि इसका उत्तर क्या होगा. Ashwini, what would you recommend to Mr. Singh, who holds about who has bought 300 shares of 3i Infotech?
Any guesses? मेरा उत्तर क्या होगा? When you left with $8, what can one advise? And this is what, others should learn, that stocks can go down to zero. So, at $8, maybe just sell it off and have lunch somewhere. It's not going to 120. It's not even going above 20. So, you can't do this. You invested 36,000. You've lost 33,000. It's crazy. I mean, you must keep some stop. If you bought at 120, the stock started breaking 110. The moment you lose, say 5 to 8% on any investment, you need to bail out. I mean, there's no point even calling up and asking about such stocks. Just exit.
Okay, it's a categorical sell coming in from Ashwini, who says exit and in fact have lunch with that money. 7 rupees for 3i Infotech on last count. Let's hope our last viewer doesn't have the same plight. This is an email query coming in on GMR Infra from Guru Prasad. He's bought 100 shares of GMR at an average price of 26 rupees a piece. 1 year time horizon, should he hold or sell, Ashwini?
Well, again, they make great airports, but, the way they dilute their equity, they're not bothered about the small investor. So chances are that, you have to exit. Now, I don't know whether you can exit $3 higher or exit here, but keep a stop of 17. If it starts breaking 17, as we've seen with Lanco, etc., GVK, they've all hit new lows. So, your price is not as bad as the previous caller. So, if you get a $2-3 rally, exit there. If it starts breaking 17, just exit out there. I don't think these companies are going to get out of their rut so easily, and some of them may not be around for the next infra boom.
All right, so that's an exit call coming in on GMR Infra with a stop of 17. Well, here's the disclaimer once again from our end. Do consult a financial advisor before taking any positions in the stock.
Well, of course, you ask, we answer. That's how it is. So please do keep the queries coming in. Very simple. You can participate 3 ways. You can email us at bnsn@etnow.tv. You can also send in an SMS. That's to 58888, or simply call us on 022-2483-7111.
All right, and after the break, Sandeep Wagle and Prakash Kaba will be joining us with their top bets.